This MulWark screwdriver set just might be the best thing that every garage, every home, every dude like me absolutely needs. Check this out. This is absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to open this right now. So you get this beautiful hardcover case. And then look at that. I'm going to go through each one of these personally. I just want you to see that. Look at every single type of screwdriver imaginable. Any project that you have to deal with, anything at all, big, small, repairs, building, you're putting something together, you just, I mean, this is a dream come true for me. I absolutely love this screwdriver set. So let's go through each one of these. OMG. So you've got the big dogs, and I love how it just kind of, it clicks right into place. Look at this big Phillips. Look at that. Look how huge that is. That is absolutely huge. And then when you put it back in there, it just clicks. Look at that. Did you hear that? How awesome is that? You've got your magnetic demagnetized block right here, which is awesome. Look at this. You've got everything from a small Phillips screwdriver. Look at that guy right there. Look how awesome that is. Look at the size of that thing. Just absolutely phenomenal. Flathead. You've got, I mean, everything imaginable. And then here, this is what's really, really cool too, is you've actually got a screwdriver that you can actually put any, you got like 4 of these that come inside this. I mean, this is just, I mean, it's just amazing how much I absolutely love this thing. Check this out. You've got this guy right here, which comes with a strap here. Look at the measurements. You got the different type of measurements right there. Look how awesome that is. And they fit right into here. So let's say, well, I need a 30 with a 6, right? Excuse me. Got a little bit of a cough. Look at that. Just put that right in there. Bada boom, bada bang. I've got an Allen wrench right there. Look at that. Sweet. I mean, you've got every type of, I mean, this is the ultimate screwdriver set. You literally don't need anything else at all. It's absolutely perfect. It comes with everything. I mean, it literally comes with everything. That's just one, by the way. That's just one of those guys, and just so easy to click back and forth. So you've got that huge one that I just showed you. Then you've got a cool small one here that has measurements on there. Okay, it fits right in there in the beautiful. Oh, I love the way this fits. And then you've got another one that has even different size. I mean, literally there is nothing in this case that you can't find, that you won't be able to solve any issue that you have around the house. Look at this small guy right here. Look at that. How awesome is that? Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. With the rotating end cap right there that you can kind of use. Oh, I just love this. It's so cool. So I mean, and it just snaps. It snaps. Everything just snaps. I just absolutely love how everything just snaps into place. And then you can literally carry this around. You could take this with you on the road. You could take this, put this in your car. It's compact. It fits. It's easy. You just snap it. Snap it. I mean, every need you can imagine. Look at this. Look, it's like a little carrying case. Look how cool that is. Hey, see you guys later. I'm going to put this in the, you could just keep this in the trunk of your car. If you have kids like I do, having something like this, I would keep one at the home and I would keep one in a car or something like that. or even, you know, keep one over at your, I don't know, your kid's house, your grandparents, whatever. It's just, it makes an amazing gift. MulWark is a company that I have reviewed multiple times, and I really love their product. So the only reason I'm really sharing this with you is A, it's amazing and it solves multiple problems for me, but B, because this company really understands value, integrity, craftsmanship, and quality. So I stand behind these guys. I've reviewed many of their products on here. The laser tape measure is amazing, amongst other things. This screwdriver set is the best I've ever seen. It's the best I've ever used. 10 out of 10.